Deep breath in. All the way out. Good. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow. Yeah, that was nice.
Yes, sir, that was. Alright, I'll do the same thing on this side. Other hand's going to be here. Good. This adjustment's for the low back, okay? So I'm going to get you in position first. You okay there?
Yeah.
No pain?
I mean, it feels like it's stretching, but yeah, it
Okay.
feels good.
Alright, I want you to take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way.
Oh! Oh, yes, dude, that was nice. Wow. Oh, man. That was great. Thank you.
You got it, you got
I'm
it.
ready for this side.
That's what you came for, right?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Just keep that one straight. There you go. Alright, one more deep breath in. All the way out. Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And that's years in the making.
Any pain with that?
Oh, it feels good, actually.
Feels good?
Yeah.
Bring your hands down to your side. Nice.
That's not relieving.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You okay right there?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that was cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Try to drop the leg all the way.
Oh, yeah.
That one did. Good.
Oh, that's cool. That's weird, that first one right there at the base of the thumb.
Yeah. That was pretty relieving too if you're on the computer a lot.
Yeah.
Good.